Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Wait for the end of the video, you'll see an animated uh, journey. Hope you
5th
enjoy.
of November 2023. Packed, ready to go. About to head off from my Airbnb to the War Memorial. From the War Memorial, I'll have a coffee there and then I'll start my journey. Anyway, hoping to get like 80 Ks today, 90 kilometers. All right, see you on the road. Just heading out of the city towards the War Memorial. Can't believe how quiet Canberra is at 8:40 in the morning on a Sunday, I guess. Just pulling into the War Memorial for a coffee. Hopefully the cafe is open. Anyway, the War Memorial's going through a massive redevelopment, so the front is closed. The cafe opens at 9 o'clock. Give me some reflection time. Alright, just leaving the War Memorial. Righto, I think I'm in New South Wales. It's been done about 60 odd Ks from Canberra, going to the coast. Decided to take all the back roads, all the bush tracks. It's probably another 198 kilometres to go. So I'll either get there tomorrow or Tuesday. Plenty of water, lots of streams around. So now I'm just looking for a place to put my tent. Absolutely exhausted. First day into it. Hopefully after a month I should be pretty good. Here for tonight, my view next to a dirt track. Good to go. It's been a long day. Good morning, just packed up, heading about 6:45. I think it's the 6th of November. Still got another 100 kilometres to go into the coast. Yeah, anyway, slow and steady wins the race. Alright, talk to you later. So I arrived in Cooma. Doing quite well. Let's find a campground or somewhere to sleep. Just leaving Cooma, the Swiss hotel in Cooma, off to Bega. Next, I think 2 days will take me to get there. But yeah, cheap little place here. Ready to go. Just on the Monaro highway, heading towards Bega. It's about, I don't know how long it is, but 90 kilometers or 100 kilometers. Anyway, I'll see you on the route. I hope not. Just pulling into Mitababul, elevation 1,070 meters. I'll have a rest here. About 25 minutes, 30 minutes, and crack on. About 80 k's to Bega, so I'll stop somewhere overnight and then arrive there tomorrow. Have a little spot for our lunch. I'm at the Bega showgrounds for tonight. $10 for a tent. Laundry, shower, toilets, everything you need. Okay, I'm at the Bega Caravan Park. $10 for a tent. Quite a popular spot. Swimming pool next door. 7-minute walk into town. Everything you need. Good to go. I'm here for tonight. Morning. Alright, just leaving the Eden showgrounds. Been a good night there. Correction, the Bega showgrounds. Just leaving the Bega showgrounds. Heading to Eden. It's a 53-kilometre track today. Alright, I'm off. First stop, McDonald's. Wonder if I can go in the drive-in. Better not. Coffee and raisin toast. Daily staple. out my Merrill's hiking shoes today. Yesterday was freaking hot, like 34 degrees, and my feet sweating bad. Anyway, just leaving Bega, heading onto the Princess Highway, turning south towards Eden. Waiting for a mate. Thanks Mazzy for that. It's one of my going away presents from 12/16 Hunter River Lancers. It was attached to a beer mug. One Troop A Squadron. Wimbula, 32 kilometres. Eden, 53. Melbourne, 613. Just outside of Eden. Correction, just outside of Bega now. Alright, it's been good. A little bit fatigued, but I should be in about, I think, 2 weeks should be in Melbourne, if not before, depending on the inclines and declines on the road. And the bike's holding up really well. Just found my deer antlers. Anyway, 21 k's from Bega, getting to a little town called Woolama or something similar. Anyway, pretty proud of my little deer. See if I can mount on the front of on the bicycle. I don't know how you pronounce it. Maybe it's Woolamala. Anyway, so 23 k's out of Bega. Here for 20 minutes. Rest. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned many, many times. Holy shit. Selling all beer and Skittles. Massive hill, walking it. Anyway, probably 20 k's to Eden. Stay there tonight. Maybe 2. Depends how I feel. Anyway, I'll see you there. 11 days away from Melbourne. It's not bad. See how we go. Kilometers an hour, 60,
68. 75. 80. 84 kilometers an hour. Whoa! Welcome to Eden. I'm in Eden at the Killer Whale Museum. Just having a look around. Absolutely exhausted. I'll have 2 nights here, and then from here I'll head to the Victorian border. It's been a hard slog actually. I've been doing 50 to 80 k's a day, sometimes a little bit more. Can only, as soon as I feel fatigued, I just stop, go in about 100 meters into the bush, set up a tent, and then keep going. My only thing is water, but I'm getting it from dams, so